Pinangunahan ni Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, Chief Philippine National Police, ang turnover ceremony ng kanyang bagong itinalagang Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 3, Police Brigadier General Rodrigo Atienza Maranan, dito sa Camp Captain Julian Olivas, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ipinaliwanag ni Chief PNP ang kanyang dahilan kung bakit niya napili si Police Brigadier General Rodrigo Atienza Maranan.
Ang isa lang po yung nasa utak ko, of course, it's always Red Maranan. Not because I know you, but because you really perform well, and I was so happy that you make a difference in Region 3. Ganun, region na pala, QCPD and General All Maliran. Mention that as always boost of your achievement. So that's sa'yo. And of course, malapit na po yung election. It's a really big problem right now, yung election po natin. Ang sabi ko nga dun sa mga artists natin, we want to make a difference. We want to make a difference in people's life. Gone are the days na ang police po natin very political. Let's make it a political. What you have seen in the news, and we have been used and abused, and we're not so happy. And yun na po yung marching order natin. It will never happen again.
Samantala, naging mapayapang ipinasa ni Police Brigadier General Jose Santiago Hidalgo Jr., outgoing Regional Director, ang buong responsibilidad sa bagong talaga ng ama ng kapulisan ng Gitnang Luzon, na kung saan hindi matatawaran ang iniambag at pagganap ni Police Brigadier General Hidalgo sa kanyang panunungkulan bilang Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 3. Ibinahagi naman ni Police Brigadier General Maranan ang kanyang mga plano upang mas mapanatili ang kaayusan at kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan sa Gitnang Luzon.
Under my watch, we will continue to intensify efforts to combat illegal drugs, dismantle private armed groups, and suppress criminal gangs. This will involve focused police operations against drug trafficking and punks networks, while also implementing community program to gain their cooperation and trust. Our goal is to enhance public safety and trust within the community we serve.
Kaya naman dumalo ang ibang high-ranking officials ng PNP, Regional Command Group, Regional Staff, Provincial and City Directors ng Police Regional Office 3, ibang kinatawan ng kawani ng gobyerno sa Central Luzon, local leaders at mga malapit sa buhay ng bagong upong ama ng kapulisan ng Gitnang Luzon upang ipakita ang kanilang buong suporta. Labis naman ang pasasalamat ni Police Brigadier General Maranan sa buong pagtitiwala ng hepe ng pambansang pulisya upang pamunuan ang nasabing rehiyon. Ang buong kapulisan ng Gitnang Luzon ay labis na nagagalak at inaasahan ang mga makabagong inisyatibo na tutugon sa mga hamon sa seguridad at pagbibigay ng mas mahusay na serbisyo sa ating komunidad. Mula dito sa City of San Fernando, Pampanga, ang inyong PNN Correspondent, Police Corporal Giselle V. Rivera, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.